over 60 years, the legendary AC Cobra has been defined by one unforgettable formula: a brutal V8 engine. It's an unhinged lightweight frame and an open cockpit that leaves you at the mercy of the wind. But the script has officially been flipped. This is the all-new 2026 AC Cobra GT Coupe, the first ever production fixed roof. Cobra 2 roll out of the factory in the history of the nameplate. It takes the beautiful retro profile we all worship, wraps it in full carbon fiber, and stuffs it with a modern supercharged heart. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we are strapping into a $315,000 throwback monster. Don't let the classic 1960s lines fool you. Beneath that nostalgic shell sits a seriously sophisticated modern Grand Tourer. Built to celebrate AC Car's 125th anniversary, it features a bespoke extruded aluminum chassis underneath a lightweight, full carbon fiber body. Under the long, bulging hood sits a Ford-sourced 5.0-liter Coyote V8. While the standard naturally aspirated version puts down a healthy 450 horsepower, the range topper slaps on a supercharger to push a terrifying 720 horsepower and 605 pounds-ft of torque. Purists rejoice. You can pair either engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox or a 10-speed paddle shift automatic. While Shelby fans might look at this and think of the legendary Daytona Coupe, AC Cars actually drew styling cues from their own vault, the forgotten 1964 AC A98 Le Mans racer. That car famously hit 183 miles per hour during testing on the UK's M1 motorway. Feat so wild it allegedly prompted Britain to introduce the 70 mph national speed limit the following year. The new GT Coupe honors that lineage with an incredibly aerodynamic, integrated fastback roofline and a sharp camtail rear treatment to stabilize the car at high speeds. While keeping a perfect 50-50 front-tour weight distribution, exclusivity of this level definitely doesn't come cheap. The naturally aspirated 2026 AC Cobra GT Coupe starts at $315,105, while the 720 horsepower supercharged monster climbs closer to $345,000. Production will be extremely limited, making this a certified collector's dream. Is this fixed true fastback styling the ultimate evolution of the Cobra name? Or do you still prefer the wind-in-your-face roadster? Drop your thoughts below, slam that like button, subscribe to DRX AUTO MOBI, and we'll see you guys in the next video.